Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail sending failed issues. Whether your emails are stuck in the outbox, failing to send completely, or generating error messages when you try to deliver a message, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Proton Mail requires a stable connection to send emails successfully. If your network is weak or disconnecting frequently, outgoing messages may fail to send. Next, review the recipient's email address carefully. Even a small typo can cause delivery problems or trigger sending errors. Make sure the address is entered correctly before trying again. If you're sending attachments, verify that the files are supported and within Proton Mail's attachment size limits. Large files can sometimes prevent messages from being sent successfully. Another useful step is to save the email as a draft and then try sending it again. Temporary glitches can occasionally cause a message to fail even when everything is configured correctly. If you're using the Proton Mail web app, refresh the page or sign out and sign back into your account. This can help reset your session and resolve temporary issues. As a final step, contact Proton Mail support and provide information about the issue, including any error codes, attachment details, and troubleshooting steps you've already completed. And that's how to fix Proton Mail sending failed issues. By checking your connection, recipient information, attachments, account settings, and service status, you can resolve most sending problems and get your emails delivered successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.